Do you want to repost archived stories on Instagram? You can repost archived story on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To repost archived stories on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. On your profile page, tap the three lines menu at the top right. A new screen will appear. Find and select Archive. Now, tap on the down arrow at the top of the screen and select Stories Archive from the pop-up menu. You will see all your stories saved in the archive. Scroll through and tap on the story you want to repost. At the bottom, tap the Share button. You can add text, stickers, music, or any edits if you want. You can also resize or remove the archive date from the story. Once ready, tap your story to repost it. Now, your archived story will be reposted and visible again to your followers.